I know we say we've got big dreams. Come on, baby, follow me. But I know you gotta be careful in every situation. Weigh out the pros and cons. In a couple of years, it would be the right time to chase whatever we want. The reality is it would be sweet, baby. Could reside on the corner of Broadway Street. You can call your mom at night, 'cause we're on Central Time. I could work at that hipster vinyl store, be my version of Joanna